TP-Link router keeps disconnecting, real fixes. Is your Wi-Fi cutting out right when you need it most? Whether you are in a meeting or gaming, a disconnecting router is incredibly frustrating. I know exactly how that feels. The good news is that you can fix this issue yourself at home. After watching this video, your internet will be stable again. If you face any difficulty, please comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more tech tips. Step 1. Let us start with a full power cycle. This clears the router memory and resets the connection. Unplug your router and your modem from the wall. Wait for at least 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first. Once the modem is ready, plug in your router. Wait for all the lights to stabilize before testing your Wi-Fi again. Step 2. Check all your physical connections. A loose or damaged cable is a very common cause of drops. Ensure the cable from your modem is clicked firmly into the WAN port. If the cable looks bent or frayed, replace it immediately. Step 3. Optimize your router placement. Walls and large appliances can block your signal and cause disconnections. Place your router in a high, central location. Keep it away from microwaves and cordless phones to reduce interference. If you use 2.4 GHz, try switching to a less crowded channel like 1, 6, or 11. Step 4. Update your firmware. Manufacturers release updates to fix bugs that cause random reboots or drops. Go to Advanced, then go to System Tools, then select Firmware Upgrade. Check for any available updates and install them. Do not turn off your router during this process. A successful update can solve many deep-seated connectivity issues. Step 5. Disable Smart Connect. This feature tries to switch devices between bands automatically, which can cause drops. Go to Wireless Settings, then disable Smart Connect. This lets you manually connect to the more stable 5 GHz band. Step 6. Factory Reset. If nothing else works, a full reset to default settings is your best last resort. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the lights flash. Remember, this will erase all your custom settings and passwords. As a bonus, try using Google DNS. Go to Network, then go to LAN, then set primary DNS to 8.8.8.8. Following these steps will resolve most TP-Link disconnection issues. You now have a stable and reliable home network. I am confident that your Wi-Fi is back to its best performance. Troubleshooting is simple once you know the right steps. Do not forget to subscribe to TechVibes for more fixes. I will see you in the comments section below.